Oops. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. And it's currently 9:31 a.m. Market has just opened. Let's share the screen and see what we could do. There you go, guys and girls. Let's lower this light. It's a bit bright. Okay, so break above and hold here, bullish, right? Break below this, bearish. All right. It's currently 9:33 a.m. Bodies didn't close below that low. Over here, yeah, closed just slightly above. I think right now we're in a daily, right? Daily fair value gap. Yeah, exactly. Daily fair value gap. Consequent encroachment a little bit higher. Let's extend the daily volume imbalance just to see it under price. Like that. You see. Spiked straight through the daily volume imbalance for non-farm payrolls. Touch the daily fair value gap. Let's see if it's going to leave this open as the first presented fair value gap. Seems to me like it will. Okay. Oops. That was dumb. I didn't change the color before the... Anyways, we'll do that later. So volume imbalance right here. Yeah, this order block is the target. That's a straight down move. But till what point? I don't see anything on the 1 minute over here of any importance. Nothing on the 5. 9:15 is the beginning of this displacement right here. Fair value gap. 15. Let's go down a little bit lower. I maybe take this low and come back up. We'll see. It just barely. It went above. And on the 5 minute, what does it look like on the 5 minute? 5 minute. That's debatable. 15 minute for sure did not go above. Same thing. Okay. Nice bounce off of that 15 minute fair value gap. Wow. Let's see how it reacts to this first presented fair value gap. Trade right through it. Now let's see if bodies could break and hold above and close above. Hey. Thank Thank you to whoever liked the stream. It's appreciated. All right. So we have a close above. Okay, these are looking interesting right now. These highs to be taken right here. We took the 930 low. Great. Coming back for these highs. These highs. Looks awfully a lot like yesterday. Meaning that this start like this, come back and then drop lower maybe. A water block over here. All the way to the volume imbalance maybe. Take these lows and then continue up from there. Possible. I was saying that it was like yesterday, and I'll show you guys exactly why I mean that, and that it might come and take these lows. Maybe. Okay, gapped up. We gapped up a volume imbalance into the yep. Oh, yeah, it's true. Didn't reach the consequent encroachment of this order block. I think I'm gonna buy right here. Okay, so like yesterday. Let's see how it closes. Close it. Ooh, that was a nice buyback. Very conflicted over here. Okay, close below. First presented fair value gap over here. Didn't close above. No bodies above. Consequent encroachment of this order block. Coming to get these lows again. Trust me, we'll be back for these over here. This is not a break or hold for me. Break and hold above, you know. Hello, hello, whoever's watching this stream. If you guys got any questions, guys or girls, post them up in the chat. Hello, Karam. How you, Karam? Yeah. How you doing? All right. So we did not pass the consequent encroachment. So the midpoint of this. Good morning. Good morning. Now we might take these lows and come into this daily volume imbalance over here. So if we zoom back out, this is a daily volume imbalance between these two candles. We might stabilize there, coming back down. Always nice seeing people on the stream. Can you hear me, Karam? That's cool. Okay, so we need a little bit more patience. I think we might sleep. We might sweep these lows. Oh, perfect. Awesome. So yeah, we might sweep these lows coming to this volume imbalance. We'll see. But it's in game. And that's how you remain profitable. You remain patient, you don't chase, and you seek confirmation, right? So you see these highs over here, a lot of liquidity resting above. Maybe the narrative is we take this low, which is going to give us the energy to come back up here. But so far, there's a fair value gap to the downside. Let's see if it's going to be respected. Is there a volume imbalance? If there's a volume imbalance, we have to include the volume imbalance. Yep, there's a volume imbalance. Hello, hello, everyone on the stream. We got some new guests on. Welcome. So I stream every day from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. I've been trading for approximately 8 years, and at the 6th year, I was starting to get a hang of it. It's a long journey, but it's worth it if you guys, wow, if you guys keep up the consistency. Hello, everyone. All right, so we have this big 15-minute fair value gap down here that it tapped and went above, and there's this daily volume imbalance over here. If you guys have any questions, just shoot them on the comments on the chat section. All right, so took the low briefly by like 1 point or 1 tick. And now if this remains open, this fair value gap, I'm pretty sure we're going to come and hit this volume imbalance and might take this low. It's also Friday. People might not want to hold their positions over the weekend. Okay. Coming back down. Let's mark these lows, took those lows. So yeah, it's like yesterday's open, this section. I'll show you guys. Okay, so we took those lows. And now is the point where we're going to start changing structure and coming to get these highs probably. Okay, so let's see how this candle closes. Stops stops below this low. Take profit above these highs. One here and one a little bit lower. All right, here is your change in the state of delivery. Right here, made a new high after making a new low. So you see that gave us no chance. No chance to get in. So this is the second spot. So as long as we don't take this high, idea is still valid. This high right here. We were approaching the first presented fair value gap. Turned around. There you go. We're in on the first position. You know what? I might even put it at the below the consequent encroachment of this order block right here. So yeah, I'll take this order block right here and put it right below the consequent encroachment. Perfect. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Did you see whoever's in the audience? Just leave a little comment in the chat like that. I know who's my audience. Karam, you still there? So close to our second entry. Didn't take us in. Nice price action for the moment. Oh, yes. What's up? So you saw what it did? It took this low, almost went in the um, daily volume imbalance, and then came and made a new high. So now we have the change in market structure. That's why I put my stop right below this low, and at the 50 below the 50% of this order block right here. That's the stops. So now it's these highs that we're aiming. Where are you from, Karam? Let's go, a little push up right here. I like the price action it's doing over here. Giving it some good resistance in this fair value gap, the first one of these two stacked fair value gaps. So yeah, very nice to see. And this is a fair value gap, the first one. I like to see it hold above the midpoint of this fair value gap. We might even come dig into this order block, so all is possible. But I think, yeah, we're going straight up from here. Yes, sir, Karam. You're the only one to witness this live. Pretty cool. Ah, he's gone. So you see how I waited for a change in the state of delivery over here? Took these lows also. So two lows were taken right here and here, and then we changed right away to come get these highs and attack these positions, these hands that were the strong ones. Yeah. This perfection right here. Took this low, came and made relative equal highs and just enough juice to come and take these out. Okay, so now we stopped at the consequent encroachment of this order block, and we closed above the first presented fair value gap that formed at 9:34 a.m. Getting there. Now we trail stops. Stops break even, and we're out. That's for this one. Oops. That was the second position. So first position, let's take a stop loss over here and take profit right above these highs. So close though. Let's put a break even. Take this limit position off and see it go. So that was the take profit for the second position. We're going to take these highs. Can't be this close and not take him after taking two of the ones below. Oh, coming back down. I should have taken it at these highs, but it's okay. I'm just going to come and get these ones up top over here. But if it comes back to this high, I'm going to take it. It's going to be 0.31 in profit, 0.3%. Karam, did you take that trade? Awesome. That's so cool. Did you take profit? Awesome. That's so cool to see. I'm super happy for you. Let's go. And let's take this high. We're so close. Very close. Very, very close. Awesome. Good stuff, Karam. Super happy for you. If you like what you see, just subscribe and give it a like. I mean, it helps a lot. And it's just fun to have some people around, while you trade. Bum, boom, boom. Come on. You know you're going to do it. Yep. Just take some time. I might just take it over here, close my position. Let's see. All depending on this candle. Do, 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 do. Thanks for the thanks for the little hearts. So cool. Okay. We're almost there. Almost there. Doesn't seem like it wants to do it. So you know what? I'm gonna cut my position right here. Book the profits. There you go. And if it does do it, like, so what? We booked a 0.3%. 0.3% every 3 days, which is pretty attainable, is 1% every 3 days. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, Karam, and whoever was watching before. That's it for this AM session. And see you guys on Sunday for. Thank you so much, Karam. That's so nice to hear. So yeah, see you guys on Sunday. I'll do a top-down analysis. So the big picture on Sunday, and I post pre-market analysis for the Nasdaq on the last and broken to see if we're bullish or bearish, and 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. every day at Eastern Standard New York. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Karam. Thanks for showing up. Have a great day, and subscribe. Ciao.